that out. I'm back, and we're doing a lot of things. This channel used to be called Show Home Crafts, but now it's called Michaela Prints, and I'm gonna tell you why. So back in the day, a couple years ago, I posted some craft videos on YouTube. I really enjoyed it. I love to craft, and it was fun, but life got in the way. A lot of things happened. My mom got sick. She just passed away this last July. So a lot of changes were happening in my life at that point, so I just really didn't have the time for YouTube, but we're back. And the reason why we're back is because me and my husband are starting a new business. We're starting a sublimation business. And if you don't know what sublimation is basically a certain type of ink, sublimation ink, printed on sublimation paper. And you take that design that you printed out on that paper and you press it onto apparel, whether that's a shirt, sweatshirt, tumbler, mug. The design is directly imprinted into the fabric or into the mug. You can dishwash it, you can wash it, it's not going anywhere. Not like vinyl that sits like on the top. So that's what we're doing. That's where we're starting. There's so many things that we're gonna be doing on this channel. We're gonna dive into DTF, which is direct to fabric transfers. We're gonna do it all. And I'm excited. We're gonna start our website soon. Right now we're doing print on demand. I do have an Etsy store linked in the description below where I have my print on demand products, but my thought process was, why not cut out the middleman and do it ourselves? So that's what we're gonna do. We have a heat press coming that's gonna arrive Tuesday, and that's what we're gonna show you today. So we have the Epson 15,000. It is not a sublimation printer, but we converted it into a sublimation printer, and I'm gonna show you how we did that. Super simple. All you do is put sublimation ink into it. That's it. It's an Epson EcoTank. You put sublimation ink in it, and now you got a sublimation printer. Disclaimer though, if you do that, you don't have any warranties for the printer because you're putting different kinds of ink in it that doesn't go in it. But this is all brand new to me too. We're gonna see how it goes, see how we like the printer. It was definitely a cheaper option than actually buying a sublimation printer itself. So we're gonna see how it works, but this is the whole point. I'm gonna take you along with us while we try all the things and see what sticks. I don't think that there's a lot of YouTube channels or videos that take you along during the thought process, during the ups and downs, and is it working, is it not working? All I see is videos of people saying, you know, oh, Etsy, here's, you know, make 6 figures in 5 months or something like that. Or 30 days, get, you know, how to get 100 sales in 30 days. I've been up for 30 days on my Etsy shop and I've gotten 1 sale, which was from my friend Nikki. Thanks, Nikki. But that's it. So we're trying different things, and I want to take you guys along that journey with me. Let's figure it out. Let's figure it out together. So that's what we're doing. So right now, this video, I just wanted to hop on real quick, explain what's going on, but I'm going to show you the Epson 15,000 printer and how we converted it into a sublimation printer. So of course I needed my husband's help to get the EcoTank 15,000 out of the box. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog barking. So here are the inks that it does come with. It comes with the 4 inks that you need if you're going to use it as a regular printer, but we are going to turn it into a sublimation printer. So I'm actually going to probably list those inks for sale in eBay. So this is the sublimation set that I bought. This is from Hiipoo, and it is a sublimation ink and paper set. So it did come with 2 Teflon sheets, which is what you'll need to put over your shirt when you press it with a heat press. And here is our sublimation ink. We'll use that in our Epson EcoTank 15,000. It also came with some heat tape, which is something that you'll need to hold your designs on your shirts. You don't want to use regular tape. There's our printer paper from Hiipoo. And I think these are gloves. And then it also came with a couple of instructions, like on some heat, temperature times, and pressure for certain items that you would be pressing. And here's just some fun ASMR tape removal. So here I'm going to go ahead and turn our EcoTank into a sublimation printer, putting our Hiipoo sublimation ink in the cartridges. I found this to be super simple. If you can see here, when I open the bottle, it kind of is like spill resistant in a way. So if you open it all the way, there is no little thing to cover it. I'm not sure what you would call it, like a cap, I guess, like a paper cap. And all you do is turn the bottle over and you kind of click it in there, and then that's when it'll start to empty into the tank. And we'll do that for all 4 colors. Now that our last one is in there, I'm going to go ahead and shut this. Attempt to. Don't do that. Make sure your thing's closed. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's the sublimation printer. Links will be in the description below if you want to give it a shot and go along this journey with me. So many things to come. I hope you stick around, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss another upload, because we got so many things happening. I literally converted my living room into a warehouse, more like an assembly line. I'll show that soon. But we've got a lot coming. So I hope you guys stick around. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know what to do at the end. How do you close it out? We'll see you on the next one. Bye. No, that was high pitch. I don't like the high pitch. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.